Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another group break. This is group break number 308. We have a box of the 1415 Ultimate Vault. Let me get the banner off here. Sorry, guys. Good luck, everyone, and let's see what we get.
Three cards, three slab cards, right?
Oh, no seal. Yeah.
Only 3 cards.
Only 3 cards. Well, we start with 1 of 1 for Montreal. Guy Lafleur. That's, I don't know if it's a glove. Yeah, gloves are off. 1 of 1 Sapphire. Guy Lafleur for the Montreal Canadiens. Nice card. Next is for the Rangers. Net Zero. Ed Jackman. Net Zero. Patch, I guess. 1 of 1 Emerald. Ed Jackman, game used, New York Rangers hit. And the final card is Ultimate Addict Emblem. Harry Lumley. 1 of 1 Ruby. Who is Harry Lumley?
I don't know.
Chicago Blackhawks.
I don't know.
Harry Lumley, definitely someone from the 40s or 30s or 50s. Emblem, pretty nice for the Blackhawks. And
Still have jerseys back then.
yeah, they did. There you go, guys. 3 nice hits for 3 nice teams. Congrats, and thanks for filling it. We'll be back shortly.